So to start off making our iris, we're going to start off with a frog base. If you need to know what that looks like, go back to the frog base video. So we're just going to flip it over. So we've got the open side at the top. Just going to move these little triangles up. So just fold through until you find these and just fold them up towards the top. You'll do that on each of the sides. So we should have 4 of these. There we go, just fold that one up as well. And the last one there. Okay. And then what we're going to do is just going to move them just to the triangle shape here. Then we're going to move these points into the center. So we're just going to give them a little fold along here. And on the other side, like so. And so it's going to look like this, and we're going to do that on every part of this. So not the bit we've just folded up, this bit with the blank diamond shape, fold those little crosses into the center. So when you're making flowers, or actually any of these designs, they always do look better with coloured paper. I'm using white paper at the moment just because it's kind of easier to show you what it is, and you can see all the creases and everything. But coloured paper really does help. If not, you can always colour in paper yourself. Use some felt tips. Marble paper is always really nice as well on those. So it's just something to think about. And just come on to our last one here. And that's that. We're just going to fold that last piece straight down the middle there. So now we've got our tighter diamond shape, like so. Now what we want to do is going to fold the top bit down. So we're just going to open that flap there and just move it down to the center. It's just the line across, it's just slightly shorter than that point, but you won't be able to fold it any further, so you'll be able to feel where that is. And we're just going to do that on all 4 sides. So let's just open these up again, come to the flap, and we're going to fold that down as well. It's going to be to the same point. And across to the next one. And fold that down. And to the last point. And fold that down as well. Okay, that's all our folding. Now all we're going to do is going to pull this apart. So just take each of the petals on each side and just give it a little tug, and then go through to the other 2 petals and just pull those out. Like so. And there we have our iris. So what I like to do on this as well is to just give your petals a little bit of a bend, just so they look a little bit more natural on there. Like so. And there you have your completed iris. I hope you enjoyed that.